Shut down. Unplug the power cord. Push the touchscreen to the right to remove it. Press both sides of the cable end and pull out the cable. Disassemble the right cover inside the machine. Remove the screen cable. Install the new screen ribbon cable. Thread the cable through the cable hole. Press both sides of the cable end and insert the cable. Install the touchscreen. Ensure proper mounting position. Align the holes, then push left until secured. Reinstall the cover. Turn on the machine. Click the screen to see if it works properly.
Enter the Wiki official website to find more information.